Hello everyone, this is Enayat Meer with my Active Directory Migration Tool video number 4. In this video, I am going to install Active Directory Migration Tool ADMT version 3.2. Now, you see here target domain, then you will see a source domain, then I have a member server. So I am going to use some limited number of computers. This is my Active Directory from target domain. I did not migrate any user so far to the target domain, but I am going to add users into this domain, and I have these number of OUs where I'm going to migrate users. But before I do that, I need to install ADMT 3.2. In previous videos, I have installed a SQL Server, SQL. I'm going to use that SQL database. This tool actually at installation time will create a SQL database on a SQL Server. So this is just a review from my source domain where I have provisioned approximately 5,000 users. We also can go through the PowerShell and verify that how many users we have in the domain. We also can go OU based we can search, or domain based we can search. First, let me see here. I'm in a command line. I turn into PowerShell, or you can go to directly to the PowerShell and run this command. So this will actually count the number of users. I have approximately 5,007 users. So this is the command we always use to find a number of users. This is a second command which I have used already in video number 2 to create a 5,000 users. This is a video number 4, but you have seen, if you did not, please watch those previous videos where you can see that how I have provisioned those 5,000 users using a PowerShell. So all you can see here: source, target, and a member server. This is a brief overview of this video project. I will show you my updated new document as well, which will tell you that where I am standing right now. But this is the video number 4 which I am posting right now. So this is the difference between my video creation and video posting, but you can sync with video numbers as well. So whatever was done, I am pointing out with numbers. Number 7 is not done yet. That is a plan for completion in video number 7. Yes. That is a migration of 1,000 users. Other work which I am doing right now, it is on this Word document, but currently I am on number 11, which I am saying that let's install ADMT 3.2 now. But you will scroll down and look at that, the command. I am going to add this command under the description. So I am just pointing out here, I am back in video number 4. I have done 3 videos before, and I will continue a couple of videos until I cannot tell you how many videos all gonna be, because I want to keep them short. So once again, just look at my physical server where I have Hyper-V installed. On Hyper-V, I have my virtual servers installed. Target UK is my NetBIOS name of my target domain. So I am launching my Active Directory migration tool, but that will happen in my next video. In this video, I'm just going to install only my ADMT 3.2. SQL was, as I said before, already done in previous video. So here I'm going to use a named instance. SQL Server name is also whatever is my target server name. That is a target. Host name is a target. SQL instance is ADMT instance. So I kept it simple. So you can simply go back, and if you want to add here a server name / instance name, you simply can go through the command line, or through the PowerShell to find out that what is my host name. Just simply type host name. That will give you a server name, which is target. The next step is that what is my SQL instance. So for now, I am going to use ADMT instance with my server name, but I'm not planning to keep this instance. Only for this video I'm doing this one. Otherwise, in video 5, I will change this instance and I will use a default instance for SQL Express. So currently, let it go the way it is going right now. This will take a while to browse around to look for my host name where I have installed my SQL. So SQL is on the same server. I'm using a same box. If in your production environment or in your test environment, wherever you are testing something, if you have a separate box of SQL, of course you can use that box and that instance. And when you have this installation part at your target domain, you will see that a database will be created. So after this step, you will see also the database will be created here. We don't have any database to import, so we will say no, we don't want to import. But there will be a new database in MySQL server where I'm going to have a record of my all migration process. For example, users migration, groups migration, and if I want to migrate any service account, first you have to tag service account and then you have to migrate. So this part is done. My installation has been completed of my SQL and of my ADMT 3.2. Now we are ready to launch ADMT 3.2, but let me show you my current document as well. This is my current Word document where I am going to update whatever was done before and whatever is actually completed so far. So you briefly can take a look from number 1, whatever was done. I mentioned here in several bullets that done in video 3, done in video 3, few things, and this was done already in this video now, but this is the latest document. So in fact, I went through couple of more videos. Again, it is very visible command where you can create 5,000 users. Video 6 was done already, and that has to be posted anyways. 7 was done as well, and I have used this command in video number 7 to count again a number of users, but I filtered only users from an OU. So in current video number 4, I actually showed you a domain number of users in the whole domain. So this was just a brief overview and a brief video which you just saw that one, and I think that this will be very interesting now because I'm going to show you few more nice things here as I'm preparing this environment. So I'm going to migrate a test user first to show you how it works. Then I'm going to before you do anything, the first thing what we're going to do actually next video, so create a forest trust, two-way transitive trust. We have to add condition forwarder at target domain from source and from at source domain from the target. Then you have to go into Active Directory domain and trust, and we have to create manually two-way transitive trust between two domains from source and target, so where you can see both forests. So when I'm in a source, I can see a target. When I'm in a target, I can see force. In fact, we can see the both domains in each domain. So that will be a very common scenario which I'm going to use in my next two videos, and also I'm going to use one test user as a migrated user, like, and I will migrate from source to the target. And as also in video number 7, I'm going to create a new OU in target domain, and I will migrate 1,000 users using my Active Directory migration tool. So I hope you're gonna like this video and you will continue watching this series. If you are doing any project in production, and I would say that you have to watch these all videos throughout from video number 1. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video, which is video number 5. Bye.